inside. And you have 1 hour po to roam around and play. Ang gagawin lang nila ma'am is to play all the games and earn 120 points po. After that, kindly surrender this ticket ma'am to Slime Love area to claim your prize, which is your DIY slime kit po.
Let's go inside.
Okay, 1-0 para kay sir. Shooter sir Focus and timing. Okay, si baby po muna first.
Nudge mo
Good job. Very good.
Go.
Yeah, 20 points. Last one. Okay, last two, sir.
Isa pa! Ay! More! Yay!
Good job. Continue, sir. And then, Kuya, you got 8, 9, 10, 0. So, the... Okay, Muhammad. Zero.
Yay!
Si mommy and daddy. 3, 2, 1, go. Bilis. Oh.
Catch! Dali! Ay!
Yan na.
Yo, galing! Go, Aaron! Ay, si Daddy! Go, cheer nyo si Daddy! Go, Daddy! Daddy! Wow!
Hindi ko na lang po yung scorecard ko. So yung score and Paul. So mix it.
Mix it.
How about you? Megus. Smell it. Smell it. Sa inyo po ma.
Photo.
Kasama po kayo sir. Picture.